If your board is sliding down your fridge, or if your fridge is not magnetic, you can use the enclosed metal discs to attach the board to your fridge. You will need masking tape, a level, a hand towel, and a friend. Lay the hand towel on your counter. Make sure your fridge surface is clean. Hold the board up to the fridge, putting the side with the protective film against the fridge surface. Using a level, make sure the board is straight. Place masking tape around the top 2 corners, right against the edge of the board. Add 2 more layers of tape to create a little lip. Clean the area on your fridge where you will be placing the magnets with the enclosed alcohol wipe. Lay the board on the towel and remove the protective film. Hold the board upright on the towel. Insert a magnet into a hole and place the metal disc on the magnet with the adhesive side facing out. Peel off the 3M label using the small tab. Being careful to hold the board at an angle, position the board against the tape. Place the tips of your fingers just above the board on the fridge. Slowly lower the board onto the fridge. Press firmly onto each magnet. Remove the masking tape and enjoy your new acrylic fridge board from Girl Friday, maker of the original acrylic fridge calendar. If you need to remove the metal discs at a later date, they can be removed using a plastic credit card. We have many other products to help you stay organized. We have modern corkboards that will elevate any space. We have clear acrylic calendars that we can personalize with your family name. We also have white acrylic fridge calendars. We have white magnetic acrylic calendars and number magnets that really add a pop to your board. We have colorful chalk ink marker sets. To see all of these products and more, visit our website at girlfridayhome.com. In addition, we make business boards that are perfect for real estate agents, mortgage companies, roofing companies, daycare, property management, any company that needs to track information, we can make it. Visit girlfridayoffice.com.